Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Chem Discussion. Today I will talk about a very important topic, that is substitution nucleophilic internal. So before going to the topic, we should know some basics about substitution reaction. So basically, what is substitution reaction? Substitution reaction is the replacement of one group by others. So two things is very important in the substitution reaction. One thing is the substrate should have a replaceable leaving group, and in the course of reaction attacking group or incipient group should be present. So these two things is very much important and require for the substitution reaction. So basically substitution reaction is like the substrate which is Rx, where Ax is a leaving group and that is replaced by a incipient group or attacking group to give Ry plus X minus. So these are the basic things about substitution reaction. Now I will be talking about the SNI or nucleophilic substitution internal. So what happens in the SNI reaction? In the SNI reaction, the excipient group or the leaving group is replaced by the internal attack of the incipient group. So let's take an example. Suppose this is second degree alcohol or 2 degree alcohol, and if we treat it with thionyl chloride, we will get the SNI product. SNI product. This is the SNI or nucleophilic substitution reaction. So now I will be talking about the mechanism of this reaction. So what is the mechanism behind this? So let's draw the structure of substrate, which is in secondary alcohol, and if we treat it with thionyl chloride, this is the structure of thionyl chloride, which is trigonal, in nature. Now this lone pair attacks to the sulfur and expels the chloride to form this intermediate, and this is isolable. Now this bond cleaves to form a tight ion pair of a carbocation and a counter anion, and this is tight ion pair, and this is a short-lived species. This decomposes to the product, and this charge shifts here, and then chloride forms, and this chloride attacks the carbocation from the same side where the counter anion is present. Now we will get the product. One thing we should notice that the absolute configuration of the substrate, if it is R, then the absolute configuration of the product will be also R. If it is S, the product will be also S. So the reaction is actually stereo retentive. That means we will get the same configuration what the substrate possesses. But if we treat pyridine along with thionyl chloride, the course of reaction radically changes. So what happens? Let's discuss. Let's draw the structure of substrate. Treated with thionyl chloride and forms the intermediate now here this hydrogen and this chlorine forms hydrochloric acid, and this hydrochloric acid reacts with pyridine to form pyridinium chloride. It is an effective nucleophile, which attacks the substrate from backside to give a SN2 product. This is our product. So here, in presence of pyridine and thionyl chloride, we get stereo inverted product. So the conclusion is SNI reaction. SNI is stereoretentive reaction. And in presence of another more potent nucleophile, the substrate may give simply SN2 type product. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. So like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.